What's up, guys? Did you know Google has a completely free text to speech tool that gives you unlimited voiceovers? No credit card needed, no watermark, and no time limit. It's inside Google AI Studio, and it's powered by Gemini. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it step by step. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to aistudio.google.com. Just sign in with your Google account. It's completely free. On the main page, you'll see a bunch of model cards. Click on Speech and Music, the one with the microphone icon. You'll see three options here: Gemini 3.5 Live Translate, Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS Preview, and the Lygia 3 Pro, which is paid. Click on the Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS Preview. This is the free one, and it's honestly really powerful. It gives you natural sounding speech with cerebral prompts so you can control the tone and the delivery. Now, this is where it gets cool. You'll land on a page that says, Turn text into a natural sounding speech, and you'll see 8 quick start templates right here. Each one is a different voice style. You've got the everyday assistant for a professional, helpful voice, the energetic co host for podcast style, the ad voiceover for smooth commercial narration, the master storyteller for narration, the game show host for something fun and theatrical, and more. Just hit the play button on any of them to preview what they sound like, right there, without even typing anything. Once you find the voice style you like, click on that template to open it. You'll then be able to replace the sample text with your own script and generate your own voiceover. Hit run, let it generate in seconds, then download the audio file. You can drop it straight into CapCut or in any video editor, and you're done. And that's it. Free, unlimited, professional quality text to speech straight from Google. Hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.